Hello everyone. Hope everyone's well. Well, it's another fall day. Leaves are, the trees are a little bare. There's more leaves in the pond. Yeah. My friends are all here waiting for some food. Look at the waterfall there. It's actually, if you look over here, the leaves have blocked this channel here. So there's less water coming out of there, more coming through here, and making the waterfall amazing. You can see here, there's a different spot in the bog that's flowing more, which is fine. But here, let's, and the mums are like starting to die a bit. All right, let's see if these guys all come. Give them a nice little feed. All right. It's actually, the water is supposed to get warmer. Well, the temperature here. Look at that. Yeah. So it's like supposed to hit 20 in the next day or two, which is, pretty, considering we're almost into November. That's pretty amazing. But look at them. But I'll take it. Oh, these flowers, it's almost like they got frostbitten a bit. So yeah, a bunch more leaves came down. It's a lot more in the pond. I gotta go in again, which is fine. It's all part of it. And then once all the maple leaves decide to come down, then the willow leaves. They're big old willow here. We got all those maples there, and the wind's going right. These maples are littering my pond too, but that's all right. They give me some sap. These maples give me some sap in the spring. Oh, speaking of splash, I'm gonna post right after this. I had my camera caught one of the white fish, literally doing like a U out of the water. Maybe it's the other way around, like this. It was crazy. I'll put it right here. So wasn't that nuts? Wasn't it? Like, it's pretty crazy. It just like came out of the water and it's one of these big guys, big white ones, I think. But yeah, look at the waterfall. Oh, it looks great. I love it when it's like that. But it's not as good as this guy. This guy's so much better. But I still like that one. I like them all. Like even this one here has got like a nice flow. It doesn't usually come out here anymore. It's kind of grown over, but whatever. I still like it. I'll keep it. So my dahlias, I didn't put them away yet. They're still drying. Yeah, I'll have to do that like really soon. How do you keep your dahlias? I'm gonna actually talk to my neighbor over here. She's the flower queen. She's good at like preserving her bulbs and whatnot. So anyhow, guys, I think I'm gonna cut this one short, but that's okay. But hold on. Remember, you must subscribe. Please, please. I put up some great shorts, guys. Check them out. Look at that. Look at that. Oh yeah. Yeah. I put out some more great shorts. Some are greater than others. People really love spiders. Or hate them. What is it? People can't stop looking at them. Oh man, I love it. And there's lots of spiders around here. Okay. All right, please subscribe. Please like the channel, or like this video. Subscribe to the channel. Share this video. Share all my videos. You do it just like go on a sharing spree. I'll thank you later. Yeah, have yourselves a great day.